first we need to connect with the Wi-Fi. Make sure the network is work very well, and then we go to the APP. And we click user and connect with the machine. All right. Yeah, it's connected, and click setting and find the system setting and find the general. And here, still connect the Wi-Fi in here. Yeah, after connected, you click the upgrade, and then he will upgrade by himself. And wait a few minutes, it's gonna be finished. All right, you can see we're finished soon, and yeah, we are near 100%. Okay, and then confirm it will reconnected. Yes, we reconnected the machine. Yeah, it's worked. And we go to here, find the system setting and the general. You can see our version has changed. Try use this way to solve your problem. If you still can't fix this problem, please connect with us. Thanks.